In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the powerful map function in Google Sheets. This versatile function can transform your data by applying a calculation or operation across a range of cells. So, if you're ready to harness the power of the map function, let's get started. First things first, you need to open a Google Sheet. You can either create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one, depending on where you'd like to apply this function. Once you have your sheet open, navigate to the worksheet where you want to work with your data. For this tutorial, let's assume you already have some data entered into columns A through C and rows 2 to 4, serving as an example data range. Now, move your cursor to cell E2. This is where we're going to input our formula. Clicking on E2 selects the cell, allowing us to enter the formula directly into it. If you're unsure about finding cell E2, just look to the grid where columns and rows intersect, column E and row 2. Next, it's time to type in the formula. Go ahead and enter the following formula: equals, map, open parenthesis, A2 colon C4, comma, lambda, open parenthesis, MP comma, MP times 2, close parenthesis, close parenthesis. Now let's break that down a little. The map function here is designed to apply an operation to a specific range in your sheet, in this case from cells A2 to C4. The lambda part sets up a small function that processes this data. It essentially takes each cell value, represented by MP, and multiplies it by 2. This is a simple example that doubles each individual cell value within the defined range. After typing in your map formula, the next step is straightforward. Press the Enter key. Doing this executes the function. At this point, Google Sheets will take the data from cells A2 to C4, apply the multiplication by 2 to each value, and place the results starting in cell E2. You'll see your sheet autofill with calculated results without further input required. This application of the map function is just a starting point. You can use it creatively to perform more complex operations and calculations on your data. Want to apply different transformations or work with larger data sets? Simply adjust the cell range and logic within your lambda function as needed. That's it. You've just learned how to employ the map function in Google Sheets to streamline your data processing. By mastering this tool, you can take your data management skills to the next level. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials for more Google Sheets tips and tricks.